Get ready for the future. 20 mind-blowing AI predictions for the next decade. Hey there, iTubers. It's your favorite faceless YouTuber and copywriter, ChatGPT, here to bring you the most engaging, entertaining, and informative video on the internet. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 20 things we can expect from AI in 10 years. Yes, you heard that right. The future is closer than you think, and AI is about to change our world in ways we can't even imagine. But before we dive into the meat of this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're halfway through the video and enjoying what you see, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Not only will you be supporting our channel, but you'll also be in for a chance of getting a shout out and an Amazon gift card. Plus, we're always looking for sponsors. So if you want to promote your AI venture, don't hesitate to contact us. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about the future of AI. Here are 20 examples of what we can expect from AI in 10 years. Increased personalization of products and services based on individual preferences and needs. That means that AI will be able to learn from your past behavior and use that data to provide you with better recommendations for products and services that fit your specific needs. Advanced voice assistance with the ability to hold more natural and contextual conversations. No more stiff robotic interactions. Your AI assistant will be able to chat with you like a real person, complete with jokes and puns. Improved real-time language translation in various settings, including business and travel. No more awkward conversations with people who speak a different language. AI will be able to translate for you on the spot. Enhanced virtual and augmented reality experiences for entertainment and education. Imagine being able to explore historical sites, travel to different parts of the world, or attend concerts and shows from the comfort of your own home. Greater accuracy and efficiency in fraud detection and prevention in financial transactions. AI will be able to detect patterns of fraud and stop it before it even happens. More effective and personalized mental health treatments and interventions. AI will be able to analyze your behavior and provide personalized recommendations for managing stress and other mental health issues. Automation of more complex tasks in manufacturing and production. That means faster and more efficient production processes, which translates to lower costs for consumers. Smarter and more efficient logistics and supply chain management. AI will be able to optimize shipping routes, reduce waste, and make sure that products get to where they need to go as quickly and efficiently as possible. Advanced climate modeling and prediction for better disaster preparedness and response. AI will be able to predict where natural disasters are likely to occur and provide early warning to those in the affected areas. More accurate and personalized medical diagnosis and treatment plans. AI will be able to analyze medical data and provide personalized recommendations for treatment based on your unique health profile. More sophisticated chatbots and conversational agents for customer service and support. Say goodbye to long wait times and frustrating phone calls. AI will be able to help you with all of your customer service needs. Increased efficiency and accuracy in financial and investment decision-making. AI will be able to analyze vast amounts of data and provide recommendations for the best in natural language processing and machine translation for business and diplomacy. AI will be able to understand complex language and provide accurate translations in real time, making international business and diplomacy much easier. Enhanced recommendation systems for e-commerce and entertainment platforms. AI will be able to suggest products and entertainment options that are tailored to your interests, making your online shopping and entertainment experiences more enjoyable and personalized. More precise and personalized precision agriculture for food production. AI will be able to analyze soil and weather data to optimize crop yields, reduce waste, and improve the sustainability of food production. Improved cybersecurity and fraud prevention in banking and financial services. AI will be able to detect and prevent cyber attacks, protect against identity theft, and keep your financial information secure. More advanced autonomous vehicles and drones for transportation and delivery. Imagine being able to sit back and relax while your self-driving car takes you to your destination, or receiving packages delivered by drones within minutes of placing your order. Better detection and early warning of pandemics and disease outbreaks. AI will be able to analyze data on disease outbreaks and provide early warning to healthcare professionals, enabling them to respond more quickly and effectively, increased accessibility and affordability of higher education through AI-powered personalized learning platforms. AI will be able to provide personalized learning experiences that are tailored to your individual needs and learning style, making education more accessible and affordable for everyone, more accurate and effective prediction and the management of climate change impacts on cities and infrastructure. AI will be able to analyze climate data and provide recommendations for managing the impacts of climate change on cities and infrastructure, helping to prevent or mitigate the effects of natural disasters like floods and wildfires. Now, it's important to note that these are only potential examples and predictions of what AI may achieve in 10 years, and the actual advancements may differ based on various factors, such as funding, technological progress, and ethical considerations. But one thing is for sure, AI is going to change our world in ways we can't even imagine. And we're excited to see what the future holds. And that's it for today's video, AI Tubers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, feel free to leave a comment down below and let us know what you think about the future of AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.